Rijeka Crnojevića is small, but one of the most beautiful settlements in the vicinity of Cetinje. It is located on the river of the same name. The story about the town begins in 15th century when ruler of Zeta, Ivan Crnojević, in order to escape Turkish army, built a fortress and a monastery in Obod, whose church is dedicated to Saint Nicholas. There, he transferred his capital from the Žabljak fortress, and the monastery became the seat of the Zeta. Remainings of historical buildings from the time of Ivan Crnojević have been preserved in the place itself. During the 19th and the beginning of the 20th century, Rijeka Crnojevića was the largest Montenegrin port and the leading trade center. At the entrance to the river Crnojevića is stone bridge called Danilo's Bridge. It was built by Prince Danilo in 1853. This is where the river and the lake collide, a place that glitters with natural beauty, a place that will blow your mind. Place you must visit.